Okay, so I'm posting this about the Husky flaring tool. Now, I was using this to do some HVAC mini split line sets. And I was doing all quarter, and the quarter and 3/8 lines were all going well. And then I got to the half-inch one, and I could not, all these, the tool works quite well. But all these flares that are marked are there's a little cup on there that, this does everything from 5/8 down to 3/16 pipe. And the flaring was going okay until I got to the half inch. And when I got to the half inch, I could not figure out a way to get the flaring piece, the pipe and the flaring piece, to fit. And it took me, did an internet search, what have you, and nothing came up as to what was special. And none of the instructions, of course, on this tell you this. But when you come to do a half-inch flare, you actually have to everything else is all on this side except for the half-inch one. And the half-inch one, the cups for the flare are on the other side. So it's the only one. It's not marked. It's not in the instructions. It doesn't say half-inch on this side like you might expect. But no, you have to flip it to be able to do. So your pipe is coming out. It's the opposite side to what you flare all the others. And you can actually see there's that little cupping on the half-inch one, which is the very end one. And you have to flip it to just for half-inch. So do that. The other thing I noticed, you have to apply quite a lot more pressure with the half-inch pipe, probably just because it's thicker copper. It's harder to flare. But I hope this helps, because I was scratching my head with this one till I looked very carefully at where the flares were. Good luck.